Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cryptic Crypto. Doing a market update today. We haven't been on in a while, and I just wanted to get back out here and give the latest market updates because things are happening after about a 9-month span of boredom and wondering what the new low is going to be, if we're bottomed out, what kind of market we're in. Obviously, we've been sitting in a bear market for a while, and a lot of people have lost a lot of money since the end of last year, 2021. The entire crypto space has been down about 80 to 85%. So hopefully you weren't one of the schmucks that got in at the end of 2021 only to see 85% losses. Pretty funny meme out there right now of the whole Thanksgiving family dinner table, your whole family sitting there and staring at you, and you have to face the whole family after you told them to buy Ethereum at $4,200 when now it's only worth $1,600. So we're gonna jump into the markets. Been gone for such a long time. I always say I'm gonna make these videos daily. Let's see if I can do that this time. So let's jump into it. So we're looking at the CoinMarketCap website. Bitcoin has had a recent jump. It's back above 20,000. It's even gone above 21,000. It's sitting at 21.2 right now. The total market cap is about 408 billion. Obviously, when the coin was at $70,000 about a year ago, the total market cap of Bitcoin alone was $1 trillion. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for this to jump back above that $1 trillion mark. It's going to happen at some point. We'll just have to wait and see how long that takes. But the important part is to hold, have diamond hands, and just wait it out and continue to DCA, which is dollar cost average into Bitcoin. This is the top coin. This is what you want to start out in, and this is the basis of crypto and how it was manifested the entire space. Next up, we have Ethereum. This one's been doing really good this week as well. This one's up 7% on the week. This says in the past 7 days up to 1.3%, but it's up about 7% in the past 10 days if we expand that search a little bit more. And then some of the other notes, Solana is one that I'm pretty interested in. I keep watching it. When it hit its peak, it was at $250. Like a year ago. We can look back here, hit 259, and it's since just been tracking down. This, for me, and this is not financial advice, just my own opinion, but this is a good time to get into Solana. I can see this going back up to 250 pretty easily and hopefully doubling or tripling from there. So if you're looking for a good coin further out the risk curve from Bitcoin and Ethereum, Solana is a great choice. Another one is Polygon. Has another huge market share. Polygon, Matic, $1.20. I think this one peaked at about $3 about a year ago. We can see that, yeah, here, close to $3. Now it's going back down. It had a huge jump this week. It was up like 25%. So wish I would have gotten in here. Really, the optimal time would be down in here, but you never know the bottoms. You know, the best thing, again, you can do with any of these is to DCA, dollar cost average. Once or twice a month, just throw however much you want into the markets from your income. All right, so these are the main market updates. The reason why I'm focusing on those coins, those 4 coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana, is because a lot of the information that I look at is Raoul Pal. He's a great mentor in the space. Also, Kevin O'Leary has become a huge influencer in the crypto space. He thinks it's going to be the 12th sector of the S&P 500. There's a lot to happen for it to get there. Regulation is the biggest, security, and then making the wallets easy to use. He talks about the grandmother test a lot, meaning your grandmother should be able to download the app, buy crypto, and use it for transactions without needing help from anyone. So these are things that I'm looking at. Everything looks good. Hopefully we've reached a market bottom. I mean, we've been capitulating down here for a long time now, and I've been getting bored. Haven't looked at it as much recently just because it is that boring, but I continue to watch videos, continue to watch Raul and what he says. There's some other people that I like to watch. I want to shout out to Jamie Tree's channel because I really like the content that he puts together. And those videos I watch basically every time he puts them out. So shout out Jamie Tree, appreciate all the good information. There's a few tweets that I wanted to show you by Raul. This one is a great one he actually put out a few days ago, November 4th. ETH chart looks very constructive. We are currently breaking the downtrend, which is 1. You can see here it's breaking the 1 line. The inverse head and shoulders 2. So here's the inverse head and shoulders that he's talking about. It currently has broken that. And then the bigger picture would be the cup and handle at 2000, which is the 3 line, which would be back up and around this area. So I think there's a breakout that can occur once it gets back above this 3 line. But I think we're going to be headed up in the, positive direction for hopefully the next couple months. We're in crypto spring now, so that's a good sign for the entire crypto market. The summer's not a good time usually, and we're just leaving summer, going into the what they call crypto spring. So we should be able to see some better indicators here and some better returns on our investments. Just a few things to note as well from TA is if you look at this ETH Bitcoin chart, and this is what I just had up that Raul had in his tweet, but it is very true. When you look at this, you can see there's this huge cup and handle forming. I mean, boom, here's the handle. At some point this is going to break out. This is also a bullish flag indicator. So I'm thinking, in the next 6 to 9 months, we're going to break out and start seeking new all-time highs, which is going to be extremely, extremely exciting for the space, because we're going to blast through where we were at last time. And if anyone was in the space then, that was almost a euphoric experience. So I think we have some good news coming up. We've been in this low for such a long time now that I think we're getting to the point where the macro landscape in the world right now is not looking too good with the rate hikes. The Fed recently raised rates another 75 basis points. This is causing a decline in the housing market, almost everything. It's harder to lend and get a loan from a bank. So all of these things are going to slow the economy. And as the Fed seeks to raise the unemployment rate and lower inflation, all these things I think will help Bitcoin in the long run. People are going to be looking for alternative ways to make money because they're not going to be able to make it as easily in the traditional financial system. So, and once they start to release regulation on this stuff, people are going to continue to put their money in here. So I'm excited about it. It looks good. And so, and then this is the ETH Bitcoin. So Ethereum to Bitcoin evaluation. Now here's Solana to Bitcoin. This has been trending down for the past year. And it looks like it's just capitulating right in this area. So I think this is also a good buy. We've recently had a spike here in the past week, but I still think that Ethereum and Solana are some of the best risk-return assets that you can put your money into right now, which is my own opinion, but I think they look good. And this is going off some other high-valued opinions in the space as well that I currently and consistently keep up with. So, all right, guys, that's about all I got. I hope you enjoyed the content today. Hopefully I can continue to push these videos out. And let me know if there's anything I can do to better my videos. I'm always open to comments. As long as they're constructive, I will consider them. All right, peace out. Have a good day. And enjoy the crypto markets.